this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Gold Gym membership. Now, it's pretty simple what you have to do, but before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, if you want to cancel membership online, you will need your membership agreement number, and you can get the number if you go to this link. Then go to the second link, and then you want to sign in or click on register to create an account. Select the agreement info tab, click request cancel, fill out the information on the form, click submit cancel request button, and then a summary will be sent to your email on file. If you want to submit a freeze request, you can just email them at this email and make sure to include these things in your email. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.